Good morning, children. We'll be starting a new concept in this chapter, that is about a difference group can be make. We can make in the difference group. Like I have a number 18, 24, 5, 9, 7, 2, 10, 1, 20, 30, 21. Like this number I have. So in these numbers, in which table it start to go? I'll take first one 18. 18 which table it goes? 1 ones are, 2 ones are, 3 ones are, 6, 9, 18. Similarly for 24. 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4 will not go. 6, 12, then 24. Next, similarly, you go with the 5. With 1 ones are, 5 ones are. 9, 1, 3, 9. 7, 1, 7. 2, 2, 10, 1, 2, 5. 1, 1. 20, 1, 2, 4, 5, 10. 13, 1. 21, 1, 3, 7, 21. So, like this number, in which these numbers are numbers which will be grouped in this table. So which are the numbers, which are the tables it started go means you should find it out. Okay, this is about your factor. This is known as for your factor. What you are written, no? These are represented as an factor. So 20 factor of 20, it will be 1 2 1 2 4 5 10. This is a represent as a factor. Okay, student, let we move to the next chart. In this chart you have to fill the 1 ones are 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 till your 12. Till your 12 you should fill it off. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 to till 12 you should fill it up. The last one will be 1 4 4. 12 12 it is 144. 12 12 it is 144. Okay, you should fill it in your textbook and we'll see about what is the questions depending upon this. Here, what are the factors of 10? 1, 2, 5, 10. These are the factors of the 10. In 1 side goes, 2 side goes, 5 side goes, and 10 side. Can you do this from the chart? Yes, we are done from the chart. That is like this, okay? What are the factor of 36? You should find out the factor which are goes in the 36. In 1 side, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, and 36. Find out all the factors of 36 from the multiplication chart. That is 1 2 3 4 6 and 9 are the multiplication chart of 36. That is a factor of 36 will it 1 side goes, 2 side goes, 3 side goes, 4 side goes, 6 side goes, and 9 side. Then what is the biggest number of from which you can find the factor from this chart? So what is the biggest number you find it? 144. This is a 144. Can you do for the numbers of the biggest than this number? What is the we can do the biggest number in such a way that in the factors means you have 12 till 12 we had tables now till you should extend the table chart, that is from till 12 we did it, right? More than 14 15 16 like this you have to do it. Let we have a common factor. See here students, we have a common factor here. See here 36 and we'll take a any other number. Let we have a 25 and 35. 25 which table it goes first? It is 1 side goes, 2 side will never go, 3 side no, 4 5 yes, and after 25 only. Next take 35. It goes in 1 ones. 2 will not go, 3 will not go, 5 will not go. It will go in 5 ones and next 35 in the 35 ones. So what is the common factor of this? 1 and 5. This will be the common factor of 1 and 5. So which factors? So what are the factors it is here represent means? Here 1 and 5, which is a common in both the factors means here 5 and 1 will be the both the common factors. 5 and 1 will be the both common factor. Which are the factor you have written in the common purple are both circles. So the 25 is a one circle and combining both we represent 5 and 1. That is the both the common factor of 25 and 35. It is 5 and 1. Let we write for 40 and 60. Let we write for 40 and 60. So in 40 and 60, what are the common factors? Let we take a 40. In which table it goes? 1 ones are 2, 4, 5, 6 will not go, 7 will not go, 8 will go, and 9 will not go, 10, 20, then 40. Similarly, you take for a 60. In 1 ones are 2, 4, 3, 3 I am written here because 3 is not common factor. 3 will be here and 4, 5, 6, 7 will not go, 8 will not go, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30 and 60. These are the factors of what? 60. Once again, these are the factors of 40, but they are combined both. They have one thing, that is 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. These are the common factors of what? Both 40 and 60. 40 and 60. These are the common factors of 40 and 60. Once again, I'll be explaining this here, students. Here the common factor of 40 and 60. See which table it goes. In which table the 40 will go? In 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 28, 40. These are the tables which will go in 40. Similarly, have to take for the table 60. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 will not go, 8, 9, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30, 60. These are the factors of 60. Here both they are combined. This will be represented as the one factor, that is 60. This is called as a common factor of both 40 and 60. 40 and 60 will represent as a both common factor 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. This is represented as a common factor. See here students, till this what we are studying. Here multiples of next number, next common factor, and which number is divisible by the common factors. So what are we studying means here common multiples, common factors. These are the topics we are dealt. Now we'll go to the last topic, factor tree. What is that? Factor tree. Let we discuss about the factor tree. This is about the factor tree. Look at the factor tree. Now you can make another tree like this. See here 18. 18 will go in which tables? 9 and 2. So 2 will further will go? No. 9 will go in further. That is 3 and 3. 3 3s are 9. So 9 will go in further. That is, see your students, 18. I'll be repeating for you. 18. 18 will go in 9 and 2. Okay. Once again, 2 will not go with any number, but 9 will go with another factor, that is 3 and 3. This is a 3 and 3. So 3 3s are 9. So once again it will move, go with any number? No, it is a last. So till that you should find the common factor. It is look like a tree, no? That is represent factor tree. Let we have only 2 and 9, no? We take as 2 and 9. Okay. Further it is 2 will go with 1 and 2. That will be the last. There is a last about this. So this will be one more method. Okay. Let we have a drawn here 24, 24, 24. I am taken 24 in different way. 12 twos are 24. Okay. Next 12 will go with number 6 and 2. For 2 will not go. It is represented as the same. 6 will go with 3 and 2. 6 will go with the 3 twos are 6. Next I am taking a 24. 24 6 fours are 24. 6 fours are 24. 6 will go with the 3 and 2. 3 and 2. 4 will go with the 2 into 2. So 3 twos are 6. 2 twos are 4. That is will be the last of this. Next we will move to 24. 24. 8 threes are 24. 3 will not go. It remains same. Next take 4 twos are 8. This will be the last. Next 4. 2 twos are 4. This will be the common tree. This will be represented as a common tree of the 24. So 24 is a 1, but we have 12 twos are, 6 fours are, 8 threes are. Like that we can be written and further division will be taking place. Okay student. This is represented as a common T factor. The factor of the tree we can say tree factor. Okay, this is about your completing this chapter. I'll be writing I'll be giving a notes, you saw do it. Okay.